What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Dre Black Digital, and today we're going to talk about Clickbank in 2021 and affiliate marketing for those of you who do not know what that is. So in this video today, we're going to go ahead and go over what exactly affiliate marketing is, and then we're going to go over Clickbank, which is a platform that plenty of digital marketers or affiliate marketers that just get started, they start off on this platform. So first, we're going to go over the definition of affiliate marketing, which is the process of which affiliate or yourself earns a commission for selling that person's product. Basically, if you have a company that's offering an affiliate program, they'll give you a special link that you can share on a blog post, on social media, or that you can run ads to, that once somebody clicks that link and purchase whatever service or product that's on that page, then you get paid a commissions from that. That's basically what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell if you don't know what it is. And today we're going to go ahead and dive into Clickbank. So we're going to head over to clickbank.com. Okay, so now that we over on Clickbank, Clickbank is an affiliate marketing website where you can find products to promote for affiliate marketing, all from different niches, from health and fitness, from make money online to self-help, to education products, and plenty of more. But basically, that's what Clickbank is. They'll give you an affiliate link in which you can promote these products. And what I love about Clickbank is there's fast payouts, minimum thresholds, and it's easy to start making money online if you do it the right way. And by doing it the right way, all you have to do is stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys a method that you can use to promote some Clickbank products. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log into my Clickbank account, and I'm going to show you guys how you can find products to promote. Okay, now that I'm logged into my Clickbank account, this is the marketplace where you can find products. When you first log in, you want to go ahead and click on Marketplace at the top, and it'll bring you to this page. And as you can see, these are the different categories of products that you can promote. So as seen on TV, computers and internet, cooking, games, green products, home and gardening, parenting and families, and many more products for you to promote online. Basically, what I tell students or people learning affiliate marketing is find a category that you're most interested in, that you have some knowledge in, that you can promote that product. Makes it a lot more easier and funner at the end of the day. So in order to find a good product, what I always do is I don't click any of the categories. I go to the search sign and just click it. And what this is going to do is just going to open up all products and services and the Clickbank software or Clickbank website. And what you want to do is click on sort by results, and you'll see average conversion, initial conversion, recurring, and gravity. The rank is how high or how low it's ranked on Clickbank. Average conversion is you're going to sort by the average amount of money you'll get paid per sale. Initial conversion is the amount of money you'll get paid for the first payment. Recurring payment is getting paid month after month after month. It's recurring, and gravity is going to be the most amount of sales that product has gotten in a day or a month or a couple weeks. And what I always do is go ahead and sort by gravity. And when you come to gravity, it's going to sort by, right here, you'll see grav, and it says 513. So what this is telling us, the gravity is 513. I'm going to highlight it right here. Gravity is 513. And what that 513 represents is how many different affiliate marketers have promoted this product successfully and got a sale within the past 30 days. So 513 people have promoted this product and got a sale. And the average conversion is $140. So this is the average amount of people, the average amount of money people are making from selling this product. The initial conversion is going to be $139, which is the first payment that that customer who sees your link is going to pay. Is going to be about $139. So if we scroll through here, you'll see more gravities of 329 people sold this product. 310 people sold this product. 284 people sold this product. 243 people sold this product. So as you can see, let's use custom keto diet as an example. What you always want to do first is open up the affiliate page. And when you open up the affiliate page, This is going to be the page where you can access your affiliate tools. They give you email swipes to use to send out emails. They give you banners, graphics. Sometimes they give you videos and stuff to help you promote the product. I advise you to always, always, always pick a product that has affiliate tools. And one way you can do that is in this sidebar and attributes, you want to go ahead and click must have affiliate tool page. That's how you can ensure that you always have a product that has an affiliate page that provides you tools to help you promote it. So I'm going to go ahead and click access affiliate link. And right here is going to show us banners, social media posts, lead magnets, landing pages, videos, and customer demographics. Customer demographics is very helpful if you're running ads because it tells you what age groups to promote to, what gender, and male or female. They also give you some articles that you can republish and rephrase so you don't get like paraphrasing issues, and you can use those as well. That's basically how you find a product on Clickbank, and this is how you utilize the affiliate tools. So now I'm going to go ahead and dive in to show you guys the exact method you can use to start promoting Clickbank products today without any experience and little bit of money. So let's go ahead and head over to Fiverr. Once we're on Fiverr, you want to go ahead in the Fiverr search bar and type in affiliate. Give me 2 seconds. Computer's acting slow. So you want to type in affiliate website. Clickbank affiliate website. You want to click on that option, and what it's going to do is going to pull up a bunch of sellers who will create blogging websites and websites you can use to promote your Clickbank products. And the main objective for this is to buy the website. They'll create everything. They'll put the post on it. They'll tell you how to insert the link and everything onto the website to make some sales. And your main objective is you want to drive traffic to that website and also help it rank organically and SEO on Google. What that is going to do is allow you to get some free traffic to your website so you can start making some money with Clickbank today without using any money. So initially, your initial investment can only be your website. And then from there, you can get it ranked on SEO. You can YouTube free SEO methods, or if you want me to make a video on how you can rank with SEO, comment below and let me know. And I'll show you guys how you can get free traffic to these websites. But what you want to do is you want to scroll through and see the different sellers, see the different pricings. But what I always do is I go to seller details and I go to top rated sellers to ensure that I'm getting the best quality product. And then from there, I would select from this page. As you can see, this seller is charging $40 for affiliate website. So I would buy this website from this seller to get an affiliate marketing website created for my Clickbank products. This website will be able to have like an asset online for you to be making money online with Clickbank. And that's pretty much my only method that I'm going to teach today as far as promoting Clickbank products. If you guys want other methods on how to run ads to get sales using Google ads or YouTube ads, leave a comment below and let me know, and I'll upload a video of promoting Clickbank using YouTube Google ads. But that's going to be all today for Clickbank affiliate marketing. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.